I love cooking with Janice. We cook all the time when I visit in Northern California. It's so much fun, and we always make all kinds of creative recipes. She's one of the best cooks I know. You are.
Thank you.
And she's taught me a lot about produce because her dad was a produce man.
Yes.
And had a produce house in Northern California in Fresno called OK Produce. This still is running and doing really well, right?
Yes, quite well. Thank you.
Your brothers.
My brother Maddie took it over after my dad retired, and now my 2 nephews are running it. So.
Yeah, it's a perk when I married
Yeah.
into this family because when we drive up, I get to get fresh produce.
Well, now I've learned a lot about vegan cooking because I had never experienced that before Patty married into our family. So I've also learned things from Patty.
She's almost vegan, folks.
Almost.
Almost. We're
She's
getting
working.
there. I'm working on her. Okay, so now what do we do?
So now we put this on the cookie sheet.
Okay. Does it matter?
No,
Oh.
they're all mixed up. They're going to
Okay.
get all mixed in after they're roasted anyway. So
Let's put a little more eggplant there. It's pretty.
Mm-hmm.